Neural audio synthesis is the latest frontier where games generate adaptive soundscapes in real time to match every action and environment. By blending machine learning with procedural audio, it creates dynamic textures and responsive ambiances while trimming storage needs and bandwidth. This shift empowers small studios to ship richer worlds faster and offers players greater accessibility through customizable spatial cues and volume controls. Yet it also raises questions about authorship and compensation as AI joins human composers in the creative process. In the end, neural audio signals a tectonic shift that redefines immersion for global gamers and tech enthusiasts alike.